Pep Guardiola, man. Where do I start with this guy? Christmas is here early for us all rival fans. इतनी ठंड हो रही है लेकिन इस ठंड में ना हुडीज की जरूरत पड़ रही है ना स्वेटर्स ना हीटर्स बिकॉज जो सिटी में आग लग रही है उससे जो सेक मिल रहा है क्या मजा आ रहा है हेलो ऑल माय इंटरनेट फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल सरदार चेल्स एस्टन विला 2 Manchester City 1 Is this the final nail in the coffin? Is this the breaking point? क्या हो क्या रहा है? The best manager we have seen in a generation. The best first team squad that we have seen in the Premier League for the longest time. All the money in the world with the City group in charge. But still, one win in 12 games. इतना बुरा तो हम भी नहीं थे जब ग्रेहम पॉटर हमारा मैनेजर था. Now City are 12 points off the top. They're struggling in the Champions League and they might not even make the Champions League next season. The City fans have started calling out the manager and the players. The rival fans are having a ball जो इनका catastrophic fall हो रहा है उसको देख के हम सबको तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Now is this the point where Manchester City and Pep Guardiola are drifting apart? Let's talk about all this in today's video. Since 2012, Manchester City has been one of the best teams in Europe and there is no denying that. What started as a young stud with Mancini has turned into a total stallion with Pep Guardiola. Guardiola has been and I still believe is one of the best managers of our generation. And uska record wo dikhata hai. If we have a little look at his managerial statistics and his honors, it is crazy. The list is endless with multiple league wins, multiple Champions League wins, all the cups, domestic cups, European cups, the FIFA Club World Cup. He has won everything. At Barcelona, he ended his tenure with a win percentage of around 73%. Then at Bayern Munich, when he left with a win percentage of around 72%. And with Manchester City, with so many games, 8 years in charge, he still has a win percentage of 71%. That is unheard of. No manager in modern football even comes close to it. जब 2016 में Pep Guardiola Manchester City आया, it took him just one season to turn Manchester City from contenders to world beaters. Now 8 साल हो चुके हैं इस beautiful marriage of Pep Guardiola and Manchester City को. They've had twins, which means they've won doubles. They've had triplets, which means they have done trebles as well, domestic and European. And they've built a beautiful house for themselves. And then there is this love that other clubs are very envious of. But now it is all starting to crumble. Forest are 4 points clear of them. In the last 7 games, they are tied with Southampton for the number of points earned. Southampton is battling relegation. The players are looking off. They do not look hungry at all. They look like a shadow of their past selves. And somehow मुझे लगता है कि वो पेप ग्वार्डियोला के लिए भी नहीं खेल रहे हैं अब anymore. Haaland, who is still the top scorer in the league, but he doesn't look his prolific self. He's a goal machine, but उसके पिछले 6 गेम में उसने सिर्फ 1 गोल किया है. Bernardo Silva, who makes those beautiful through balls, has the vision to see passes that no one else sees. उसकी भी विजन थोड़ी सी ब्लर हो गई है. He also can't make those passes anymore. Phil Foden, the prodigy, जिसके लास्ट सीजन 19 गोल्स थे, इस सीजन गेस कर लो उसके कितने गोल्स हैं. 1. Jeremy Doku from the left side, who was a terror last season. He was a terror last season. He's a Teddy this season. Gundogan, जो Pep का प्यार है, he seems more like his ex now. Now, some of the City fans have already started turning on Pep. कल after their loss to Aston Villa, मैं Twitter पे कुछ tweets पढ़ रहा था, and mind you, these are tweets by City fans, and one of them by LB City, who is one of the most prominent City fans. उसकी ट्वीट थी they have downed tools, which means अब हथियार डाल चुकी है सिटी. One of the tweets I read was I am gonna stop watching this season till Pep is sacked. इससे पता चल रहा है कि अब सिटी के फैन बेस में भी थोड़ी टेंशन स्टार्ट हो गई है. Pep himself seems to be losing it as well. Liverpool game में after the Liverpool fans were singing getting sacked in the morning, he showed this 6 to Liverpool fans के मैं 6 Premier League titles जीत चुका हूँ, trying to copy Mourinho. Then the scratches on his nose and face after they drew 3-3 to Feyenoord in the Champions League, complaining all the time about the schedule, the injuries to his players, saying get my players back and we'll be back in the Premier League. मतलब get my players back का क्या मतलब होता है? जो अभी players हैं आपके पास, उनसे अपनी टीम को फिक्स करने की कोशिश करो. That's what a manager does. And mind you, with all these complaints and saying I don't have my players, I need my players back, the injuries are this, the schedule is that, कार्लो एंसेलोटी लास्ट ईयर एट रियल मैड्रिड, उसके दो सेंटर बैक्स जो फर्स्ट टीम में स्टार्टर्स थे, दे वर इंजर्ड. His first team goalkeeper Thibaut Courtois, he was injured, and even his favorite player Vinicius Junior, he was out with injury for 3 months, but he still won them the Champions League, the league, and the cup. So these excuses are now starting to sound a little baseless. Now Pep is amazing. There is no denying that. But at this moment, it seems like he has lost his dressing room and the players are not playing for him. और उसका कोई प्लान बी भी काम नहीं कर रहा है. जो भी उसके इंस्ट्रक्शंस होते हैं उसके प्लेयर्स को, वो पिच पे फुलफिल नहीं हो पा रहे हैं. ऑल्सो सिटी हैज नेवर सीन सच अ बैड पीरियड सिंस द सिटी ग्रुप मनी केम इन. और अब इस सिचुएशन में एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो होने वाली है कि सिटी फैंस की असली रेजिलियंस का पता चलेगा और उनके सपोर्ट का पता चलेगा. जो सिटी का फैन बेस बड़ा भी है, इट ऑल स्टार्टेड इन 2012 and till 2024, they have always seen the good times. From Mancini to Pellegrini to Guardiola, they've either won the title or they have been contenders for the title, or they have always been in the top 4 and they have never seen such a bad time. तो अब उनका असली टेस्ट है कि कितने फैंस उनको स्टिल सपोर्ट करते हैं. और जो उनको सुनने को मिलता है सिटी फैंस को और सिटी को कि यू हैव प्लास्टिक फैंस हु जस्ट केयर अबाउट योर विंस एंड देन दे आर नॉट देयर व्हेन यू आर इन बैड टाइम, वो भी इस बार टेस्ट होने वाला है. नाउ मुझे क्या लगता है कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, और इसका एक बहुत ही सिंपल आंसर है मेरे पास. ऑल गुड थिंग्स हैव टू कम टू एन एंड. Manchester City since 2016 when Pep Guardiola took up, they built a dynasty and a powerful one, but now this dynasty is in transition. Most of their players who have contributed to their league wins, to their Champions League wins, to their cup wins, and contributed to building City into this powerhouse, they are getting old. They are past their prime now. For example, Kyle Walker, Kevin De Bruyne also, I think, is now almost at the end of his prime. Bernardo Silva. So these players, since they are approaching the end of their prime, so they have to understand that it is a transition time and they have to now get youngsters in and build a new team and go forward with that. Is it fixable? To be honest, absolutely yes, it is fixable. And the only man जो ये कर सकता है is Pep Guardiola himself. ही इज अ मैड जीनियस, तो वो कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लेगा. एंड ट्रांसफर विंडो इज अप्रोचिंग, तो सिटी ने अच्छे खासे 3-4 प्लेयर साइन करने हैं जो ग्वार्डियोला के सिस्टम में सेट बैठेंगे. थोड़े बैकअप मिलेगा इसको, क्या बोलते हैं, जो प्लेयर इंजरीज है उसके लिए, एंड दे विल बाउंस बैक. बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं तो चाहता हूं कि आइदर ही गेट्स द सैक और ही क्विट्स हिमसेल्फ आफ्टर losing 3-4 more games. And I think I talk for all rival fans because we have had enough of this City dominance. And now it is time for Chelsea to reclaim their top spot. बाकी अपना तो सब कुछ सही चल रहा है, अपना काम बनता, भाड़ में गई सिटी, हमको क्या है. वी हैव अ गेम अगेंस्ट एवर्टन टुनाइट इन द प्रीमियर लीग. नेवर इजी. एवर्टन हमारी बोगी टीम है और लास्ट आई थिंक 4 मीटिंग्स में वी हैव आइदर ड्रॉन और वी हैव लॉस्ट अगेंस्ट देम. एंड एवर्टन इज कमिंग इन विद 4 क्लीन शीट्स इन द लास्ट 4 गेम्स. दैट मीन्स उनके अगेंस्ट एक भी गोल नहीं हुआ है पिछले 4 मैचेस में. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रेक देम, बट being optimistic and the way we are playing in the momentum that we are, we should have a win, and that's what I think. Baki, what do you all think about Manchester City and Pep Guardiola? Are they going to be back, or is this the end of their dominance? Do let me know in the comments, and I will see you with the Chelsea Everton match review. Tab tak ke liye, let's all laugh at Manchester City. See you guys. Keep the blue flag flying high.